Hey there mga my love, Scorpio! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So before we start your reading, Scorpio my loves, reminders muna tayo na hindi po ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think ay for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading ito ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. Of course, if you feel connected no, and you feel the vibration, no, focus on the storyline and not sa mga zodiac signs, okay? Energies lang yan mga babes. No? So, at tayong gender by lalaki LGBT cross watchers, you're all welcome right here. You can flip roles if you want. Of course, this is general reading. Pero at the end of the day, syempre naman, you still have your free will. Malaya kang gamitin yan. Okay, so let's go ahead, Scorpio, at alamin ang mga magiging kaganapan here for you. Guys, so spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, maraming salamat. This is for Scorpio. Tell me something about my Scorpio, please. This is for my Scorpio people. Well, I'm seeing here right off the bat, may mga energies dito na ayaw nila sa'yo and they're manifesting here hindi magandang mga bagay. Pero wag ka mag-alala because you're being protected here. Ano man yung mga gusto at iniisip nila rito hindi maganda sa'yo na gustong gawin, it will backfire, no? Hindi yun mangyayari, hindi yun magiging successful. Yan. Inggit ito sa trabaho. Or kung hindi to makakatrabaho, inggit to. Inggit siya sa'yo. Parang hindi mo raw nararamdaman yung lack ng financial or shortage ng financial, no? Okay. Because you know how to handle things. Okay? Magaling ka kasi mag-isip. You are the magician's energy, no? You are embodying here, Scorpio, that you have all the tools that you need, no, in order to maitawid or masolusyonan ang mga problema, no? Kasi ikaw to na hindi mo ini-entertain yung mag-panic muna. This is you, your approach in everything here is talaga naman na very wise, no? At alam mo yun, hindi ka exempt, hindi sa exempted ka sa mga problema, no? Kasi these people are viewing you, no? Na parang hindi ka nakaka-experience ng shortage of money, hindi ka na problema or whatever, no? It's just that you know how to handle your own problem, di ba? Unlike them, no? Parang irita sila sa'yo rito, no? Pinapakilaman nila yung buhay mo, na may sarili naman silang buhay. Well, don't mind them. Whatever they're working against you, it will not work. Okay? Yeah, may ganyan talaga mga tao sa earth, but don't mind them. Okay? You're being protected. Don't worry. You have here this Eight of Wands energy, communication, but for others, it could be travel. I do see, pagdating sa kaperahan, no, talaga namang sagana at mas magiging masagana ka rito, no, kumpara sa kanila. So, kung sino man sila, no, inggit talaga, no. Dapat kasi pag inggit, pikit na lang. 'Di ba? So, I do see right here, communications. Beautiful. Kasi itong mga communications na to, no, communications, no, pero pwedeng may kasamang travel. No, nakikita ko rito na magkakaroon ka rito ng meeting with potential collaborations kung businessman yan or entrepreneur ka or pwede rin naman ikaw ay nagtatrabaho habang nagbi-business, no. I'm seeing collaborations, partnerships, no? People want here na mag-invest rito sa business mo or whatever. Okay, I'm hearing franchise as well. So whatever the case may be, this could be anything about money and finances. Your finances are growing and you can be able to have more stability, no? Napaparating sa iyo in the upcoming months, no? It could be 8 weeks from now or this upcoming months for you. Mag-i-improve pa ang financial mo, no? At makikita mo yun here. I'm seeing a lot of people here messaging you, especially kung may business ka, no? Nakikita ko rito, no, ang pagdagsa rito ng oportunidad sa pera mo, no? Paglago sa pera mo. Yan. The more na umaangat ka, the more na dumadami yung mga bashers mo. Pero okay lang yan, no? Ibig sabihin, tinitingala ka, no? At ibig sabihin nun, may mga magagandang bagay na nangyari sa'yo, no? You know what? Scorpio, kaya rin naman nilang gawin yun sa sarili nila eh. Yun nga lang kasi masyado sila nagpo-focus sa'yo. dapat mag-focus sila sa buhay nila. Yun yung mali dun, eh. Pero kaya rin nila yan 'no, kaya rin nilang ma-achieve yan 'no. Hays, well, let's keep moving. Yeah, see, look at that. Here they are. See? Sila yung mga sinasabi ko, the people here who gossips about you, spreading bad rumors about you. These people dislike you and they keep on talking about you, being nosy about your life. Nosy, pakailamero at pakailamera about your life. See? They will talk about you more. Yung Scorpio, nakakainis, no? Feeling niya ang galing-galing niya. Feeling niya siya na pinakamagaling sa lahat. Ganyan. See? Instead of improving their skills and enhancing their, skills, no, and knowledge, no, to learn, mas ginugugol nila ang oras nila sa'yo. So, expect more of them because nakikita kitang mas aangat kapag girl. You go, girl. Okay? You go, boy. Okay? Keep on moving. At yung iba, travel ito, no, na collaboration. Pwedeng yan ay sa labas ng bansa, no. Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi naman yan sa labas ng Earth. Sa labas ng bansa, no. Pero alam niyo kung ba't ko sinabi yung hindi yan sa labas ng Earth, no? Kasi it almost feels like out of this world. Kasi this is something here great, this is something here extravagant, no, wherein you can be able here to buy expensive, luxurious things, no, like that Tifa, like Volga, no? Hindi natin i-mention masyadong mahal yan. Pero you can be able to buy that, okay? I'm picking up that you are into success and greatness, no? Basta don't mind these people, okay? Ganun talaga pag umaangat, no, nagkakaroon ka rin ng, pero hindi mo nakikita, nagiging fans mo sila eh. Diba? Huwag kang mag-alala, you're being protected. Yan. See? Out of this world ka ta. See? I'm seeing a very different you. Okay? The new version. You can be able to buy your own house. You can be able to capable ka no na magkaroon ng expensive vacations. I do see you here no travel no to the countries that you want to visit, that destinations, vacations, alone man or together with your family and loved ones no. If you have someone here beside you, I do see you here spending more time with him or her no together. And I'm also picking up that someone here, kung wala pa to sa buhay ninyo tong tao na to, no, I do see someone here na mamimit mo, strongly foreigner siya at hindi talaga siya rito taga Pinas. Pero yun nga, no, for others of you, because this is general reading right here, yung iba sa inyo, no, Pinoy, pero yung success na nakuha niya, no, is nasa ibang bansa. That's very specific, no? Pero I want you to claim that kasi kung sino siya, no, hindi lang siya rito magdadala ng blessing at tagumpay sa buhay mo, no, kundi talagang magiging power couple kayong dalawa, no? Wow! Ko alam kung para kanino talaga 'to, pero ang dami mga babes 'no, most of you, yan, which is I love, marami-rami yung makakakuha nito 'no, basta kasi you stay on that belief, stay in that positive mindset and aura, because that will, be the key for you to be able to pull this good news into your reality, into your life, 'di ba? Talagang yung iba, nakaabang na talaga hindi lang dito sa channel ko mga mahal 'no, kundi pati sa iba nating mga friends na mga tarot or energy readers 'no. Keep on connecting, to them pero yun nga 'no, let me just give you some kind of tips 'no. Huwag kayong manood ng maraming-maraming tarot or energy readers 'no. Just connect here with one or two 'no, parang mamili lang kayo 'no, ta's dun lang kayo because mga babes, no, if you choose here one or two only, no, sa mga sinusubaybayan mong energy or tarot readings, no, dun ka parang mas makakuha rito ng kung saan ka feel mo more connected ka. Okay? So that you can avoid here confusion, no? Kasi pag masyado ka maraming pinapanood na energy or tarot, tips lang naman yun. Pero nasa pa rin yun kung gusto mo sundin or not, no? Pero mas maganda, no, na isa or dalawa lang yung sinusubaybayan mo so that you can be, uh, you know, feel more connected, no? Or parang you feel that kind of energy na dito lang ako ko-connect so that I can be able to get the same energy. No? Para makuha rin ng energy reader yung energy mo. Okay, you know what I mean? So, the more na nakafocus ka lang sa isa o dalawa na energy or tarot reader, sige, gusto mo tatlo, dapat sa kanila ka lang manood. Okay? Kasi para ma-maintain mo yung energy, para makuha mo rin yung mga mensaheng dapat ay para sa'yo, kasali ka na dun. Kasi dun ka na nagsistay. Diba? So, yeah. And also, what I'm seeing from here is that you have the guts to be successful. Okay? Use that. No? Nakikita ko na magaling ka, yung mind mo, you have that brain. Okay? You also have that skills, kaya nga lumbas ka bilang magician here, no? At ang maganda rito, napaka-maalaga mo. Yung blessing, yung success mo, this ubas, talagang ni-nurture mo yan. Napakahirap palaguin at alagaan, no, ng ubas, mga mahal. Okay? Pero talaga naman na sobrang sarap nung tamis ng tagumpay. Ano ang ubas? Ginagawang alak. Okay? At ang alak ay simbolo, 'di ba, natin ng pag-cheers, no, or parang tagumpay kasama sa selebrasyon. So nakikita ko rito na ano man yung maaani mo rito ay hindi na mawawala sa iyo, bagkus magdadala pa ng marami ritong stability sa buhay mo. Yan. At saka nakikita ko rito na ihanda mo ang iyong sarili kasi kung wala kang love life, magkakaroon ka na niyan. At kung may love life ka naman, nakikita ko rito na mas magiging makulay pa ang love life mo, no? At nakikita ko mas poprotektahan ka niya. Yan, no? Alam niya rin na meron rito mga taong ayaw sa'yo. Huwag ka mag-alala, hindi ka masasaktan ng mga taong ito. No? Pero nakikita ko rito na kung sino man yung partner mo, this person here wants to protect you more because mas dadami pa talaga yung mga tao rito maiinggit at ayaw sa'yo. Ayaw nila sa'yo kasi nagtatagumpay ka. What a bitter, di ba? Bitter individuals. Eight of Cups energy, you're walking away, no? Sa mga dapat putulin, pinuputol mo na, umaalis ka na. Sa lahat ng mga pabigat, umaalis ka na. Yung iba, pwedeng umalis kayo, literal. This is very specific. Umalis na kayo, divorce na kayo, annul na kayo sa sa ex-husband or ex-wife ninyo, no? At ngayon malaya na kayo. That's very specific, no? But general message that I'm getting from here, you're walking away from something that is no longer beneficial to you, Scorpio, no? And you're moving here into calmer water. You're moving here into that feather light na mga beautiful changes, no? Progress sa buhay mo. Yan, no? See? Ayun, umaalis ka na. Ang ganda, no? Umaalis ka na dito sa mga unhealthy attachments, no, with the devil, no, unhealthy na relationship, hindi lang sa married, no, pero yes, nakita natin yun, divorce, annulment, no, pero yung iba, iniwanan nyo na talaga rito yung mga partner ninyo na parang hindi naman na nakikipag-work on this relationship or commitment here with you, and now, wow! Kaya ka pala binibless ng ganito at ibibless ng ganito. Dahil finally, natuto ka ng alisin sa buhay mo yung mga basura at dapat na matagal mo nang binasura sa buhay mo. I'm seeing a lot of celebrations. I'm seeing a lot of triumphs, no, coming towards your way. I'm seeing you traveling here to that new life where abundance is. And I do see na yung iba, hindi ko alam kung kayo bibili ng lupa, yung nakikita natin very specific here. Pwedeng pagtatayuan ng dream house ninyo, pero pwedeng business yun. Yung iba, pwedeng literal na farm, nakikita natin dito na. At yung iba, maaaring mag-adapt kayo ng pet. Could be cats or could be any animal here. But doesn't have to be na mag-a-adapt ng pet, pero pwedeng magbigay kayo rito ng, alam mo yung mga charity na tumutulong sa mga animals, pwedeng yun yung gawin ng iba sa inyo. Charitable works, na kagaya ng mga paws, no? Yan. So, nakikita ko rito na i-share mo yung blessings mo, no? At kasama na rin dyan yung sa mga animals dito, no? Na walang family, no? Yung mga ganyan. So, yeah, that's what I'm seeing from here. Yan, no? A very, very beautiful messages for you, Scorpio. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Sarang I love and light.